In the second part of motion practice, the other side, who has been served a copy of the original motion, has the opportunity to respond. Again, you do this by filing a document with the court. The other side will also file 3 forms with the court and provide copies of each to the moving party, the person who filed the original motion, or to that person's attorney if there is one. These 3 forms you must complete are 1. Opposition, 2. Affidavit and memorandum, 3. Order on opposition. We are now going to prepare an opposition. As an example, we will continue with the situation about the boat that we saw in an earlier video clip. Your spouse has asked the court to order you to return the family fishing boat. You don't think you should be ordered to do so. The opposition form will look like this. You will enter your name, mailing address, and phone number. Make sure the phone number is where you can be reached during the court's business hours of 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Here you enter the city or town where the court that is hearing your case is located. Enter your name as either plaintiff or defendant according to your status in the case. The plaintiff is the person who filed the case. The defendant is the person who received the complaint and filed the answer. Your case number goes here. Here you write the title of the motion as it appears on the document you received. Again, enter your name. In this space, you will explain in a sentence or two your position on the other side's motion, whether you oppose or disagree with it, or if you agree with any parts of it. Check this space if you want a hearing on this motion. That is, if you want to appear in court in front of the judge to explain your opposition to the motion. Check this space if you're including additional pages with the opposition. These boxes are reminders of the other 2 forms that you're required to file with this opposition. Here you sign and date the form when you complete it. Now we will do an example of an affidavit. This is the second form in the packet you submit to the court when filing an opposition. Again, you enter your name and contact information, the name of the court, and the title of the motion. On this form, you explain in more detail why you oppose the motion. You should include all of the facts that support your reasons for disagreeing with the motion. This form will need to be signed and sworn to before a notary. You can get it notarized for free from the clerk at the courthouse. This third form, the order, requires the same identifying information as the other 2. This is the order you are asking the judge to sign. If you disagree completely with the original motion, the order should say something like, "Motion denied." You will not sign the order. It is for the judge to sign or reject or change. Remember, you must make a copy of all 3 forms for your records along with any other documents you attach. And you must also make a copy of all the forms and attachments for the other side. These must be sent to the other side, or to his or her attorney if there is one, by first-class mail or hand-delivered. You must give proof to the court that you have provided a copy. We have only covered the most basic points about motions in this video. For further information, you should visit the Family Law Self-Help Center website.